There are illustrations with descriptions. Outstanding and interesting features of AZDOME front and rear dash cam, 4K plus 1080p dual dash camera for cars. If you searching AZDOME front and rear dash cam, 4K plus 1080p dual dash camera for cars, in this video we are introduction outstanding and interesting features with reviews from people who have already bought it, if any. Following, we will introduce outstanding and interesting features are include 4K plus 1080p dual recording. The AZDOME M300S dual dash cams adopt top quality Novatec NT96670 processor and GC2053 ultra low light capture sensor, records video up to Ultra HD 4K, 3840x2160p, plus FHD 1080p resolutions that help you read most details from street signs, license plate, and more. Give you peace of mind when you're driving. Besides, the front and rear wide-angle dash cameras ensure to reduce blind area, and important evidence can be retained and presented in the event of a collision. Wireless Wi-Fi and GPS. 5 and 2.4 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi could transmit in two different standard frequency ranges to avoid wireless interference. More stable signal and faster speed. This drive recorder built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, and more. Tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac AZDOME player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. 24 hours parking mode. AZDOME M300S dual dash cam will auto switch to parking mode while your car is parked. Collision detection can be triggered by impact or collision, and time-lapse recording keeps recording continuously with low power consumption and low frame rate. If your vehicle is involved in a hit while parked, or someone attempts to steal your vehicle, this dash cam will provide around-the-clock protection. Micro USB hardwire kit, not included, is required for this function. Upgraded Super Night Vision and WDR. Combine with upgraded 6-glass f1.8 aperture lens and WDR technology, provide a much clearer image than most dash cameras at night. Maintain sharp image and automatically balance the lighting at overbright and overdark area. A car recorder that can be used with peace of mind from day to night. 6 voice commands and super capacitor. Turn on Wi-Fi, take picture, turn off recording, turn off Wi-Fi, open recording, lock the video. Smart voice control makes it a lot easier to control M300S car dash camera. You can completely release your hands while driving. Built to survive extreme weather conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees Celsius, to about 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius, to meet the needs of extremely hot or extremely cold areas. Providing a longer lifespan than lithium-ion battery dash cams in the market. Compact and super easy to install. With slim and compact design, the front and rear dash cam takes up tiny space in your car, which won't obstruct your vision while driving. And simple installation and setup with excellent instructions included, no need to worry even for a first-time user. Questions or things to know? To make a decision before buy, AZDOME front and rear dash cam, 4K plus 1080p dual dash camera for cars and get full highlight features and / or full reviews. Please visit the link in YouTube description. Of course, if there is a problem after purchase, please comment and tell us. To be useful to people who are searching in the future. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe button, press the bell, select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video with video introduce the latest products YouTube channel.